Hi, my name is Anya and this video is sponsored. It's sponsored by Hermes. So for today, I'll show you how to make a Neapolitan ice cream cake. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.
To make this Neapolitan ice cream cake, first go around the sides of your springform pan with some wafers. Once the sides have been done, lay out the wafers on the bottom. You can break up the wafers to fit into tiny little gaps that you have open. Fun fact, these wafers are actually used to make ice cream sandwiches. I started with the chocolate layer. I used the Hermes chocolate ice cream scoop mix and I smoothed it out evenly. Pop it into the fridge for 30 minutes just to firm it up slightly. Then I added the strawberry ice cream layer using the Hermes strawberry ice cream scoop mix. Smooth it out evenly and pop it into the fridge for 30 minutes before adding on the final layer. For the final layer, I added vanilla and I used the Hermes vanilla ice cream scoop mix and I smoothed it out evenly. Place into the fridge to set completely. Once the ice cream has set completely, add some chocolate dip sauce over the top. The chocolate dip sauce will harden and create a shell on top. Once the chocolate dip sauce has created this shell, remove the cake from the springform pan. Add some whipped cream on top. Add some cut up strawberries on top. And now you have succeeded in making a Neapolitan ice cream cake. And it's really easy to make for those times when you could just not be bothered to make a cake and decorate it. Hope you try to make this at home and enjoy!